Hello and welcome to Independence RV located in Winter Garden, Florida. I'm your host, Dan Healy, and today we're going to discuss a very special motorhome. This is a gas motorhome and it's a used 2019 Newmar Canyon Star model 3911. And what makes this motorhome special is it's fully wheelchair accessible. Let's start with a couple of basics. This coach sits on a Ford chassis with a 26,000 pound gross vehicle weight rating. It's powered by a Ford Triton V10 gas engine offering 320 pounds of horsepower, and it's got a Ford torque shift 6-speed automatic transmission with the tow haul feature. But the reason we're here is to really check out the wheelchair accessibility on this coach. Access in and out of this Canyon Star is handled here on the passenger side. We've got a large door revealing a Braun Ability power lift. We put on power, which also offers some lights, so should you need to get in and out of the coach in the dark, you have illumination. So we're going to start with unfolding our Braun Ability power lift and get it horizontal to the ground. Then my associate's going to put our wheelchair here and lock it in place for a safe transfer from the coach down to the ground. Now the Braun Ability power lift can handle approximately 800 pounds between the occupant and the wheelchair. Notice that you've got protective guards in the front and back so the chair won't move off the platform at all. And it smoothly transfers from about 3.5 feet in the Canyon Star down to the ground. And then when it arrives at ground level, it automatically unfolds in the front and you're set to go. We're now inside our Canyon Star 3911. And what I want to feature here in the beginning is the ability to easily transfer in this wheelchair accessible motorhome to either the driver or passenger seat, which offer a swivel feature. On the passenger seat in particular, there's also a wall-mounted fold-out tray, which is convenient for laptop computing, reading a road map, or just reading the bestseller as the scenery goes by. We're now in the driver's seat. And this coach has been outfitted in the aftermarket with sure grip controls, which allow you to operate the accelerator and the brake pedal using the hand grips. And should you wish to use the traditional accelerator and brake pedal, there's an override button here, which allows that to operate as normal. One of the things that's important with a wheelchair accessible RV, like this Canyon Star, is to have a floor that is level and true for an occupant of a wheelchair. You don't want any unwanted or impeding slopes. That's why the equalizer system, which is a 4-point hydraulic automatic leveling system, can get the coach level to make it easy for the occupant of the wheelchair to travel throughout the coach. Handy for all occupants in our wheelchair accessible motorhome is the fact that the countertops have all been lowered. In addition, the switches and controls for all the features are wheelchair accessible. Above, you've got a Blu-ray disc and DVD player, and that goes to our flat screen television, which is on a televator hidden behind the electric fireplace, which is great for cold mountain evenings. Plus, you've got shade and television controls that are on remote. And finally, we wind up with a Bose soundbar, which is for great audio throughout the motorhome. The traditional stairwell on your Canyon Star is the way you would traditionally enter the coach. But at the same time, safety is paramount for our wheelchair occupant. That's why we've got a power step cover here so that the wheelchair never ends up in the stairwell. Opposite our stairwell area is a sofa hide-a-bed. It's great for friends or a companion. We're here in the Galley on our Canyon Star, and it's got lowered countertops here for easy access to switches and controls. You've got dual stainless steel sinks with a gooseneck faucet. Above, you got wicker glazed maple hardwood cabinetry with a matte finish. And inset in it is a microwave convection oven. Below, 3-burner gas stove. Behind me, you've got adjustable pull-out pantry shelves for your dry goods. And opposite, a residential size Whirlpool refrigerator with ice, water, and a freezer drawer. Popping hot meals are served over here at the dining table, which is a buffet desk dinette, where the wheelchair can easily roll underneath the solid surface table. Opposite our Braun power lift and hidden behind these cabinet doors is a stacked whirlpool washer and dryer for laundry day. We're now mid-coach in our Canyon Star, and you'll notice that the vanity sink has a roll-up feature so the individual in the wheelchair can handle personal grooming needs right here at the sink. Adjacent to it is a commode with 2 assist handles to make it much easier for transfer from the wheelchair to the commode. And opposite, you've got a roll-in shower, which also features a large padded seat. You've got handrails on 2 sides, plus an additional rail to help you stand up and transfer back to the wheelchair. We're now in the master suite, which offers a power incline queen-size memory foam bed, which is 1 button push to put it down into place. It's great for transfer from wheelchair to the bed. It's also great for watching television while you're sitting up in the incline position. Opposite, at the foot of the bed, you've got a Blu-ray disc and DVD player here in our cabinetry, as well as 6 drawers for your apparel. And you've also got, for hanging wardrobe, right here, a large wardrobe closet. In closing, we look forward to seeing you soon here at Independence RV, where motorhomes such as this wheelchair accessible one will provide greater independence for you too to enjoy the RV lifestyle. To learn more about this coach, which is a used 2019 Newmar Canyon Star Model 3911, please access our website at www.independencerv.com or make a toll-free call to 866-371-5168. We look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you for viewing today.